Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Pollack. In this video I'm going to be going over one of the methods by which we lower radiation dose in our CAT scanners at Montclair Radiology. The feature that I'm going to be discussing in this video is called sure exposure, otherwise known as automatic dose modulation. This is available on all three of our CAT scanners. This technology allows us to lower the radiation dose up to 40% on all our CAT scanners that we utilize it on. You can see here on the picture on the left, this is an image of the chest, and this is called a CT scanogram or a scout view. And prior to all CAT scans, we start off by taking a scanogram or scout view to determine the areas to be scanned. And what the computer does after the scanogram is obtained is it determines the thickness of the tissues to be scanned and then optimizes the amount of radiation needed at each slice to keep the amount of radiation as low as possible while maintaining image quality. As you can see here, the graph on the right is showing the amount of radiation utilized by the CAT scanner at each slice. And if you see on the top of the chest where the orange line is, that corresponds to the top of the lungs, and a little higher radiation dose is utilized here because it has to penetrate the shoulders, which requires some more radiation. The green line now crosses through the middle of the chest and uses the lowest amount of radiation, as you can see on the graph on the right, with the green circle being towards the bottom. And the reason it can use lower radiation is that most of what's being imaged is the lungs, which comprise mostly of air. And then as we get down to the blue line, this is now going through the upper abdomen, and again more radiation is then utilized to penetrate through the organs of the upper abdomen, such as the liver and the spleen. Prior to the advent of this technology, the technologists would just use one amount of radiation for the entire scan. Thus, by being able to alter the amount of radiation on a slice-by-slice basis, we've been able to lower radiation dose up to 40% while maintaining the image quality. So areas where you can lower the radiation, we now can lower it, and areas where you need to maintain a higher radiation, that'll be performed as well. And this is all calculated automatically by the computer. Again, here there's two more pictures showing how the radiation dose varies on a slice-by-slice basis, and it's basically the varying of this radiation dose on a slice-by-slice basis that does lead to the 40% radiation reduction. And while reducing the radiation dose, we're able to preserve the image quality.